Can I do it? That train's really... Oh, here it comes. I like that. That's really pretty.
Look, Santa! Look, Santa! I need Santa! There's Santa, see? See Santa, Dad? See him, Dad? See him, Dad?
I see him. I see Santa. It smells like cookies. They smell like cookie breath.
I don't.
Oh, is that you, Nate?
No, I didn't.
The Polar Express room. This is the Polar Express room.
But where's the big drop?
I don't know. This is the Polar Express room. What else do you see? Look at that. The Polar Express is inching along. She's really moving slowly. Okay, you want to go to the next room?
There's no next room.
There is. There's lots of rooms. Oh, look at this stuff, man. Holy, look. Hey, look at this one. This one's so is that a Southern Pacific?
Yes, the Southern Pacific Daylight.
What?
The Southern Pacific Daylight.
Yeah, the daylight.
I found McDonald's.
I love the daylight.
I found McDonald's.
You know what cool movie you should watch? It has to do with a train, but it's called Tough Guys with Burt Lancaster and Kirk Douglas. They're these two thieves. They steal it. They rob from a train, and then after 40 years they get out of jail and they steal it again. It's kind of cool because they drive it into Mexico and they like launch it like and it crashes. It's pretty cool.
They make it over and over and over again.
The Gold Coast Flyer. You see it? That's the Southern Pacific Daylight.
I want to go back
Yeah.
up.
Oh, yeah, the Atlas. That's what they have. Oh, yeah. That's cool. What's that?
7 minutes for the cycle.
Oh, yeah.
It's a really cool.
I like the one with orange.
We've been working on our springs. We only have small, like 4x8. But you can't do, yeah, but you can't fit a lot with a O gauge. You get like 2 circles and that's about it. We'll get it, yeah. Yeah, Nate. Oh, look at the McDonald's, Nate. Look.
I know
It's
that.
a drive-through. Look at the McDonald's.
The first one I bought wasn't that way. I thought it was.
Yeah?
And it was just
Yeah, McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Yeah.
So when it was down in Georgia.
Wendy's the best.
Yeah.
I used to like
Oh, yeah.
McDonald's, but I like Wendy's.
That's good. Nate, you can have McDonald's on. He likes spicy nuggets. He wanted to. I wanted to try him and he got him, but it's too spicy. He likes it spicy. Look over here. What else do we have over here? Do you see the McDonald's? Ronald McDonald or something? That's really cool. And they're dancing. Father-daughter snowflake dance. Oh, look at the sailboats. That's cool. You can do lots of stuff.
I don't take bridges. I just don't have time. I haven't had a good bridges in a while.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 Wow. So what do you think of this? Pretty cool night, Ben?
Best trying to get the stuff is like
Well, you know how long it takes.
Yeah.
same lot.
Yeah, oh yeah.
All the trees and stuff.
So what's this? Oh, this is the 50s road. Yeah.
The name of
Yeah, I did
Is
that
that?
one.
Elvis, Marilyn Monroe, what's his name? Marlon Brando and James Dean.
There you go.
Yeah.
How old are you?
44. Right.
That's it.
Yeah, exactly. Look at that.
Over here. Here is the old fashioned.
Okay.
Now, what happened to me last week, I usually like to back up there and found
Yeah.
there's a 4-amp.
Yeah.
4-amp transformer.
Whoa,
Yeah.
these are all fast.
I got it on Friday.
The one?
I didn't get a chance to show it to you.
The one
I
is
see.
the outside. The one
It is fast. You have the fast track and then the,
That one's going to Philly. This one's going to Barnesville.
yeah.
Hey, we go
I like the little trolleys.
We live in Barnesville.
There's like 100 houses on this layout.
That's
500
nice.
houses.
One hill down.
That looks nice.
Yeah, but one
Guys throwing snowballs. That looks like Maycap.
Yeah.
No, they're throwing snowballs. Is that
Mom,
you?
I'm
They're having a snowball fight, buddy.
Yeah, that's the closest. You're gonna hit something really easy that close. The other will be like, one can be right there and the other can be like right there.
Mom's home with it, isn't she?
What's that?
Mom's home with it.
Yeah.
You can tell the difference.
How many cars are there all together?
Cars are,
Everywhere.
remember what he said? 500 cars, right?
Like, everywhere in this whole.
Where you feel all cars over here?
Like, how
I
many
thought,
cars?
when I first met you, I thought you were a truck guy.
Oh, what's that?
I thought he was a truck guy.
No.
He wears his hair like I do.
Yeah. Blonde hair.
Well, I didn't know.
Yeah. It's like a little version of you.
Yeah,
Glasses and everything. Yeah. Kind of cool, Ben. You like it? See what the next room is.
This is Ashland Road.
What's that?
Ashland.
Oh, yeah. The Ashland room. Oh, look at that.